Guys, welcome back to Just Neria. Today we are doing the unboxing of the Clean 9 or the C9 Detox and Diet program from Forever Living. And this program is supposed to make you look better, feel better, and lose weight in 9 days. Let's see if I will look and feel the same after 9 days. And you can purchase the product from Forever Living company or to one of their distributor. And in my case, I bought it to one of the distributors here in Germany, and it cost 135 euro. So if you are interested in buying or trying the product, please do write me a message down the description box below, and I'll let you know where to get it. So let's start with unboxing.
The first item which I took out is the Forever Aloe Vera Gel. According to the product overview, it is the first of its kind to be certified by the International Aloe Science Council, and it is beneficial for maintaining a healthy digestive system in a natural energy level. It's made of 99.7% aloe vera gel, it's preservative-free, and it's sugar-free. Next is the Forever Ultra Shake. The shakes are available in two flavors, which is vanilla and chocolate, and I opted for the chocolate mix. The shake is based on non-genetically modified soy protein and free of any preservatives. And this is the C9 Inner Pack, which is a selection of Forever Garcinia Plus. We have 54 soft gel capsules, 18 pellets of Forever Therm, 9 sachets of Forever Fiber, and I find it really good that they have already sorted it per meal for 9 days. As you can see, it's written which one you should take for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also have the shaker and the measuring tape included.
And the last item which I have here is the Fit booklet. Look better, feel better. So you'll get more information inside about the product, as well as a training plan which you can follow throughout the program. And this small booklet here is your daily plan. So basically inside it's written what you're supposed to take during the day, and you have a space here as well where you can write down what food you have taken or you're planning to take. So like the program suggests, it's a detox program, which means I wanted to detox my body. So after 9 days, I'm going to give you a full review about the product. So see you after 9 days.